Unlock the full potential of continuous autofocus for your video recordings on the Canon EOS R10 with Servo AF. First, power on your EOS R10 and press the menu button. Navigate to the AF tab, which is typically the third tab from the left. Within the AF tab, you'll find the AF method setting. Select this option. For effective continuous autofocus in video, choose the tracking AF method. This is crucial for maintaining focus on moving subjects. Next, go back to the AF tab and look for Movie AF. Select Movie Servo AF from the options presented. This activates the continuous autofocus function specifically for video. Once Movie Servo AF is enabled, you'll want to adjust how your camera tracks subjects. Find the subject tracking setting. Ensure subject tracking is set to on to allow the camera to follow your subjects smoothly. For even more refined tracking, locate AF tracking sensitivity. This setting controls how quickly the camera reacts to changes in subject distance. We recommend setting the AF tracking sensitivity to a slightly more responsive setting, like 2 or a similar middle ground, to avoid sudden focus shifts while still quickly adapting to movement. With these settings applied, your Canon EOS R10 is now optimized for seamless Servo AF in video. Simply start recording, and the camera will diligently track your moving subjects, ensuring your footage remains sharp and professional. Elevate your videography with seamless tracking, capturing every moment with stunning clarity.